Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration for transferring leads from Google Lead Form to the Sinch SMS mailing service. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, through the Sinch service you can send SMS messages to leads from Google Lead Form. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select a data source system. In this case, choose Google Lead Form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form. In this case, select Sinch, Send SMS. At this stage, we need to create a virtual Google Lead Form account in the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now you see the URL for receiving data. This is the URL where new data from the Google Lead Form will come. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your personal account Google Ads. Next, go to the Ads Assets section. Section Assets and select Lead Form. Now you need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. Next, find the Item Other Data Integration options. Paste the copied URL from the Save My Leads system. Copy the last part of the URL and paste it into the key field. Now you need to generate a send of new data to this URL. For this, click Send Test Data. After successful sending, we save the settings and return to the personal account Save My Leads. At this stage you need to connect your Sinch account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the API URL, Service Plan, API token. To get this data, go to your Sinch personal account. Next, go to the SMS Service API section. Copy the URL, Service Plan, API token and paste them into the appropriate fields in the Save My Leads system. When all the required fields are filled in, click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next you see Sinch fields for sending SMS messages. In the Sender field you need to enter the name of the sender, which must be previously registered in your Sinch personal account. In the Recipient field you need to assign a variable from Google Lead Form that contains the phone number. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. In the Message field, you need to create a message that will be sent as an SMS to each lead from the Google Lead Form. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of data that will be sent as an SMS message via the Sinch service with each new lead from Google Lead Form. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Sinch. After successful sending, go to Sinch and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for each new lead from Google Lead Form to instantly receive an SMS message via the Sinch service, you need to enable Auto Update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.